Welcome, children. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Today, we are going to study lesson number 7, Places of Worship. India. We live in India. India is a beautiful country. It has people from different religions. So, children, our country is a vast country and it is home to all religions. We love our country very much. Now look at these persons. They are so happy and they are holding their hands and standing together. Let's find out who they are. Yes, the first person is a Sikh. And the second person is a Hindu. The person in a green kurta is a Muslim. And the fourth person in white kurta is a Christian. They all are standing together and smiling. We live together in peace and harmony. In our country, people of different religion live together with love, peace and harmony. Place of worship. Children, do you know the meaning of worship? Yes, worship means to pray to God. A place of worship is a special place where people come to perform religious acts. So children, place of worship is a specially designed place where people perform religious acts. They offer prayers. Examples: temples, mosques, churches and gurudwaras. So these are the places of worship. Different religions have different places of worship. Now let's find out. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians, they have different places of worship. Temple. Temple is the holy place of worship of Hindus. Mosque. It is the holy place of worship of Muslims. Gurudwara. Yes, it is the holy place of worship of Sikhs. Church. It is the holy place of worship of Christians. So children, people of different religion worship in different places of worship. Now we will study one by one about each place of worship. Temple. The Hindus pray in the temple. They worship many gods and goddesses. Okay, so Hindus worship in the temple. They pray to many gods and goddesses. People sing bhajans and offer prayers in the temple. The holy books of Hindus are Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. So children, people of different religion have different places of worship and they have different holy books. Hindus have Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. And children, Varanasi is known as the city of temples. Many beautiful temples are situated in Varanasi. That is why this city is known as the city of temples. Mosque. The Muslims pray in the mosque. They pray to one God, that is Allah. They offer 5 namaz in a day. The holy book of Muslims is the Quran. So children, Muslims pray in the mosque and they pray to one God, that is Allah. They offer 5 prayers known as namaz in a day. Their holy book is known as the Quran. Gurudwara. The Sikhs pray in the Gurudwara. They had 10 gurus. Their first guru was Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. A free meal is served to all the visitors in the Gurudwara. So children, the Sikh people pray in the Gurudwara and their first guru was Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. And in this picture you can see the famous golden temple. It is a Gurudwara. In every Gurudwara there is a community kitchen where free meal is served. That is also known as langar, and it is served to all peoples who are present in the Gurudwara. Church. The Christians pray in the church. The church has a cross at the top, as you can see in this picture. Christians pray to Jesus Christ. Their God is Jesus Christ. Their holy book is Bible. So children, you can identify a church from far away by seeing a cross at its top. Okay? Places of worship. Now let's revise what we have learned. India is a land of many religions. So children, you have learned that India is a home to all religions. People of different religion live here with love and peace. Temple. Temple is the place of worship of Hindus. They worship to many gods and goddesses. Their holy books are Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Mosque. It is the place of worship of Muslims. Muslims pray to Allah. Their holy book is the Quran. Gurudwara. It is the place of worship of Sikhs. They pray to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Church. Church is the place of worship of Christians. They pray to Jesus Christ and their holy book is Bible. Recap. Temple, it is the holy place of worship of Hindus. So children, Hindus go to temple to offer prayers and perform religious acts. They sing bhajans in the temple. Mosque, it is the holy place of worship of Muslims. Muslims go to mosque to offer namaz. Gurudwara, it is the holy place of worship of Sikhs. So Sikh people go to Gurudwara to offer prayer. Church, it is the holy place of worship of Christians. Christians go to church to offer prayers. They light candles in the church. So children, you have to remember these places of worship as these are very important to different people of India. People who belong to different religion, they worship different gods and goddesses and they go to different places of worship to offer prayers. This is all for today. Take care of yourselves, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.